Welcome to English Podcast Studio, where we make learning fun.
Absolutely. Let's dive into today's topic with some great insight.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Studio, the place where English becomes simple, practical, and comfortable for real life.
We are very happy you are here today because today's topic is extremely important for every English learner.
Yes, today we are talking about one small question, but a very powerful question.
A question that appears in classrooms, interviews, meetings, and even new friendships.
That question is, tell me about yourself.
Now, be honest, when someone asks you this question in English, what happens?
Do you feel confident, or does your mind suddenly go blank?
Many learners know vocabulary, know grammar, but when speaking time comes, words disappear.
You want to speak, but you don't know where to start.
Or maybe you speak, but your answer feels too short, or too long, or confusing.
If this sounds familiar, you are not alone. This is one of the most common speaking problems in English learning.
And today, we will solve it together.
Not just by giving examples, but by showing the biggest mistakes learners make.
And most importantly, how to fix those mistakes easily.
By the end of this episode, you will know exactly what to say, how to say it, and why it works.
So relax, listen carefully, and imagine real situations where you will use this skill.
Let's begin. Before we learn what to say, we must understand why people ask this question.
Yes, because this question is not only about information.
It is about communication, personality, and confidence.
When someone asks you to tell about yourself, they are not testing your memory.
They are trying to understand who you are as a person.
They want to know how you think, how you speak, and how clearly you express ideas.
This question also helps people decide how to continue the conversation.
If your answer is clear and friendly, conversation becomes easy.
If your answer is confusing or too short, conversation stops quickly.
So this small question actually opens or closes communication.
That is why it appears in many important moments of life.
For example, in a job interview, this question helps employers understand your background and communication style.
In a classroom, teachers want to know your learning goals.
In social life, people want to know your interests and personality.
So learning this skill gives you confidence in many situations.
And here is the best news. You do not need advanced English.
You only need simple structure and clear ideas.
Today, we will build that structure step by step. Let's begin with the first and most common mistake.
The answer that is too short.
Many learners feel nervous, so they give minimal information.
For example, listen to this answer.
My name is Ali. I am from Pakistan.
Is this correct English?
Yes, it is correct.
But is it effective communication?
No, it is not.
Why?
Because it does not give the listener anything to respond to.
It stops the conversation instead of opening it.
Communication should invite more conversation.
So, how do we fix this?
We add one small personal detail.
Not everything, just one meaningful piece of information.
Let's improve the same introduction. My name is Ali. I am from Pakistan. I am a computer science student.
Now the listener knows something about education.
We can improve even more by adding interest or passion.
My name is Ali. I am from Pakistan. I'm a computer science student, and I enjoy learning new technologies.
Now the introduction has identity, background, and personality.
Still simple, but more complete.
Here is a helpful rule for beginners.
Name plus place plus one personal detail.
That is enough for a strong, short introduction.
Remember, communication is not about length. It is about clarity and connection.
Your goal is to give just enough information to continue conversation.
Now let's talk about the opposite problem.
Some learners give answers that are too long and unfocused.
They feel they must explain everything about their life.
They talk about childhood, family history, school timeline, hobbies, dreams.
And the listener becomes confused.
Long answers are not always better answers.
A good introduction is selective.
You choose information based on situation.
Let's imagine a job interview.
Should you talk about your favorite movies for 5 minutes?
No, that information is not relevant.
Instead, talk about education, skills, and goals.
Now imagine meeting new classmates.
In this situation, hobbies and interests are helpful.
So the key idea is context.
Context decides content.
Here is a simple method to control information.
Ask yourself one question. What information helps this situation?
If information is not useful, do not include it.
Clear communication is focused communication.
Short and meaningful is better than long and confusing.
Now let's talk about another very common mistake. Many learners try to memorize a perfect introduction.
Yes, they write a long paragraph, practice it again and again, and try to repeat it exactly the same way every time.
At first, this feels safe. Memorization gives confidence.
But in real conversation, memorization creates pressure.
If you forget one word, everything stops.
Your brain tries to remember the exact sentence instead of communicating ideas.
And the speech sounds unnatural, like a robot reading a script.
Real communication is flexible, not fixed.
So instead of memorizing paragraphs, we learn speaking patterns.
Pattern 1. I am currently.
For example, I am currently studying computer science. I am currently working as a teacher.
Pattern 2. I enjoy.
I enjoy learning new skills. I enjoy working with people.
Pattern 3. I am interested in.
I am interested in technology. I am interested in communication.
See how simple this is?
You are not memorizing long text. You are building sentences naturally.
This gives you freedom and confidence.
When your idea changes, your sentence changes easily.
This is how fluent speakers communicate.
Flexible language creates natural conversation.
Now we come to one of the most important problems.
Speaking without structure.
Many learners know vocabulary, but their ideas are not organized.
They jump from topic to topic randomly.
For example, I like football. I am Ali. I study. My friend lives in Lahore.
Each sentence is correct, but the order is confusing.
Listeners understand best when ideas follow a clear path.
So today, we give you a simple speaking structure you can always follow.
Think of it like a map for communication.
Step 1. Identity. Who you are.
Step 2. Activity. What you do now.
Step 3. Interest. What you like or enjoy.
Step 4. Goal. What you want in the future.
Identity, activity, interest, goal.
This order feels natural to listeners.
Let's see it in action.
Hello, my name is Ali. Identity.
I am a computer science student. Activity.
I enjoy learning programming and solving problems. Interest.
My goal is to become a software engineer. Goal.
Clear, logical, and easy to follow.
Structure reduces thinking pressure while speaking.
You always know what comes next.
And confidence grows when thinking becomes simple. Now we will build a strong introduction step by step together.
We will move slowly so listeners can follow easily.
Step 1. Identity.
Say your name and where you are from.
Example. My name is Ali. I am from Pakistan.
Step 2. Activity.
Explain what you do now.
I am a computer science student.
Step 3. Interest.
Tell something you enjoy or care about.
I enjoy learning new technologies and solving problems.
Step 4. Goal.
Share a simple future aim.
My goal is to become a software engineer.
Now listen to the full introduction smoothly.
Hello, my name is Ali. I am from Pakistan. I am a computer science student. I enjoy learning new technologies and solving problems. My goal is to become a software engineer.
Notice something important. Every sentence adds value.
There is no repetition and no confusion.
The listener can understand quickly and easily.
This is effective communication.
Let's try another example for variety.
My name is Sarah. I am from Turkey. I am studying business management. I enjoy working with people and learning about marketing. My goal is to start my own company.
Different person, same structure.
That is the power of a clear system.
You can adapt it to any life situation.
And because sentences are simple, beginners can speak comfortably.
Remember, communication success is clarity plus structure.
Now that we understand mistakes and structure, let's practice real-life situations.
Because language becomes strong when used in context.
We will show 3 common situations where people ask you to tell about yourself.
Because language becomes strong when used in context.
Listen carefully to how the structure changes based on situation.
Imagine you walk into an interview room. The interviewer smiles and asks, "Tell me about yourself."
In this situation, your answer should be professional and focused.
Listen to this example.
Hello, my name is Ali. I am a computer science student with strong interest in machine learning. I enjoy solving technical problems and working on practical projects. I am eager to grow professionally and contribute to a technology-focused team.
Notice what is included: education, skills, and motivation.
Notice what is not included: pets, favorite movies, childhood stories.
Professional context requires professional content. Now imagine you join a new class. The teacher asks everyone to introduce themselves.
In this situation, your learning goals are important.
Example:
Hello, everyone. My name is Ali. I am studying computer science. I enjoy learning English because I want to communicate confidently and work internationally. I hope to improve my speaking skills in this class.
This answer shows purpose in motivation. Teachers appreciate clarity of goals.
Now, imagine a friendly social event. Someone new asks about you.
Here, the tone becomes relaxed and personal.
Example:
Hi, I'm Ali. I'm interested in technology and creative projects. I enjoy learning new skills and meeting new people. I like conversations that help me grow.
friendly, open, and natural.
Same person, different situations, different focus.
This is intelligent communication.
Now let's talk about something very important: confidence.
Many learners know what to say, but fear stops them from speaking.
Fear of mistakes is normal. Every language learner experiences it.
But remember one important truth.
Communication is about clarity, not perfection.
Native speakers also make mistakes.
Fluency grows through use, not silence.
Here are 3 simple confidence strategies.
Strategy 1. Speak slowly.
Speed creates mistakes. Slowness creates clarity.
Strategy 2. Pause between ideas.
Pauses are natural. They show control, not weakness.
Strategy 3. Focus on message, not grammar.
Your goal is to share meaning, not perform perfection.
Confidence is a skill you build, not a gift you wait for.
Now it is time for you to practice with us.
If possible, speak out loud. Speaking activates memory.
We will guide you step by step.
Pause after each sentence and repeat. My name is.
I am from.
I am currently.
I enjoy.
My goal is.
Excellent. Now combine everything.
Speak your full introduction slowly and clearly.
Take your time. There is no rush.
You are building real communication skill.
Now we will share 3 complete model introductions you can learn from.
Model 1. Student Introduction.
Hello, my name is Ali. I am from Pakistan. I am a computer science student who enjoys learning programming and solving problems. I am passionate about improving my English communication skills. My goal is to build a successful career in technology.
Model 2. Professional Introduction.
Hello, I'm Ali. I have a background in computer science and strong interest in machine learning. I enjoy working on technical challenges and developing practical solutions. I am always eager to learn and grow professionally.
Model 3. Friendly Social Introduction.
Hi, I'm Ali. I enjoy learning new technologies and exploring creative ideas. I like meaningful conversations and continuous self-improvement. It's nice to meet new people and share experiences.
Notice how structure stays the same, but focus changes.
This is flexible communication. Today we learned that a strong introduction is simple, clear, and structured.
We explored common mistakes and practical solutions.
We practiced real-life situations and confidence strategies.
Now it is your turn to use this knowledge.
Write your self-introduction in the comments.
Keep it simple, keep it clear, keep it real.
If this episode helped you, share it with someone learning English.
And subscribe for more practical English learning conversations.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
Keep practicing, keep improving, and keep believing in your progress.
We will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye and take care.
Goodbye and take care.